Sublime Text and VS Code are both excellent code editors, but they target different priorities. Sublime is known for speed. It launches almost instantly, handles huge files well, and uses minimal resources. It's great for those who want a clean, distraction-free editor with deep customization. VS Code, meanwhile, is a more feature-rich application. It comes with built-in Git tools, IntelliSense, and debugging, and supports thousands of extensions. It's heavier than Sublime, but more complete for full-stack development. If you need something fast and lightweight, Sublime is hard to beat. But for modern development, workflows with built-in tools and language support, VS Code offers more out of the box. Choose Sublime for performance, choose VS Code for functionality.